Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add credit card to Google Pay. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Google Pay app. If this app is not yet available in your region, you can go to any web browser and type in pay.google.com. In order to set up Google Pay, you must sign into your Google account on the mobile app or website. Click Add a Payment Method. If you have financial information saved with Chrome's autofill feature, those credit and debit cards will automatically transfer to Google Pay. But if you don't have any saved information, you'll have to enter it manually during the setup process. Fill out the necessary information such as card number, expiration date, card verification code, and billing address. Once you enter all the information needed, click the Save button. There you have it. You've successfully added a card to your Google Pay. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.